We've got the key to this brand new Range Rover Sport autobiography with only 25 miles on the clock. Went to steal it. It's going to start up, but they're going to be unable to drive it away because it's protected with the Starline Pro Immobiliser. As you see, the car's cut out, they're unable to drive it. This system has 3 forms of authorization. So the customer's phone can be paired up, they can have an optional Bluetooth tag, or they can use the push sequence. So to use the push sequence, get in, start the car up, pop their code in. For now, we just have a simple 1, 2, 3. We hear a disarm tone, and we can drive away and the vehicle doesn't cut out. We pop the battery in the tag. Now all they've got to do, hop in the vehicle, start it up. It disarms straight away, they can drive off. Or they can have their phone in the vehicle, Bluetooth on, get in the car, start it up. It disarms and drive away. As you can see, has the phone, tag and code. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a Starline Pro on a brand new 73 plate Range Rover Sport autobiography. Thanks for watching.